Okay, so in this video we're going to go very quickly through the basics of PowerShell and the wonderful world that is Windows PowerShell. So to get into PowerShell, just simply type PowerShell into the search bar and you want to select PowerShell ISE. Okay, so that should give you a screen that looks something like this. Now on the right hand side here we've got sort of a help guide of all these different commandlets, and there is thousands if not millions of them, but I'm just going to go through the basic structure of some of them. So if you want to get the time zone, for example, simply type get time zone, and then it'll just show you where the computer is in the world and what the current time is. Okay, if I want to get the date, simply type get date, and it's 12th September 2021. If I want to get some more information than that, it would be get date, and then put a pipe in, format, list. Okay, notice it's giving some help instructions as I'm typing through to select which command I want, but here's all the information about today's date and what time it is, the month, minute, the day of the year it is. So if you're ever in a quiz or something and you need to know what exact day of the year it is, simply type that command and you'll get the answer straight away. Okay, so another sort of useful tool could be to stop a process. Now if I open a notepad file, just a blank one, and then just minimize that, and then let's just shut that process down. So I want to stop process name, and then the application name is notepad. You'll notice that just closed down from the bars on the bottom. Okay, so finally, if I just clear all that, I'm going to go back into Notepad and I'm going to write something into and save that file. So if I put a look at me, and then let's save this. Save as. Now it would be easier to just save it onto the root of the C drive, but let's just make things a little more difficult and save it into the documents folder, and you'll see why in a minute. So let's call it test, so it'll be test.txt. Now, if I want to see where that file is, the path of that file, which is going to be important if I want to read it, so I'll simply right click on the file, go to properties, and then here we have the location here. So that is what I need in order to read this file from within PowerShell. So this command would be get content, and then I need to type the path of that file. So it's users /admin /document test.txt. See, missed the S off documents, rookie mistake. And there we go. Hey, look at me. Okay, so it's important to understand your path. If I save it straight onto the root of the C drive, it'd just be C, and then test.txt. But you need to understand path if you're going to be a system administrator in the future. But that is the basics of PowerShell.